we have Kobatiev from Gameplan introducing MMAi. They are the first AI fight analyst that delivers instant MMA news, in-depth fight breakdowns, and expert analysis. Thank you so much for demoing today, and feel free to take it away when you're ready.
Thank you for having me. Hi, everyone. My name is Kubataev. I worked in sports marketing for 10 years and spent the last 3 years building a Web3 sports brand. Our project is changing how fans interact with MMA, work with over 70 fighters, including Khabib Nurmagomedov and coach Javier Mendez. And last November, I discovered AI agents and got really excited. After watching tutorials, I built our first version in just 7 hours. Our team then later took it from there and made it better. What fascinated me the most was creating something where you can't tell if it's a human or AI. MMA and AI, generally the sports, have a lot in common. So we decided to build this agent and create this MMA ecosystem kind of dashboard for fans. And we thought that AI and AI agentic industries is very good for MMA. And we went to build a few agents first. We tried and practiced few agents. I even created a character of Habib because I've been working with Habib for 10 years now. Created a character of Habib, and it was a really funny experience where people thought that this is really real human. And we created a separate agent also for MMA updates and like kind of MMA expert. And yeah, so it was really fun, and we took we got it to post news updates, and it was really getting good traction. So it's on time always, and we're kind of trying to improve it also with this performance. You can see like the tweets getting good numbers, relatively good numbers, and it's fully automated. And of course, our goal with this first version is to make it fully autonomous MMA expert kind of. And so this is our architecture. Of course, we use Eliza as a core. And then we also plugged it into various MMA websites for news sources and for analytics. And also why we think this is the future of MMA and sports, because you can use data and kind of give so much insights that will be helpful for fans, for athletes, and for organizations. And we really went far into thinking how we can help MMA scouts to find new prospects also. And this is also in our roadmap. And here you can see the first phase. We deployed the agent for MMA expertise on Twitter, Discord, and Telegram. Of course, you can tag it in the comments and ask any questions. And kind of, if you have any arguments with your friends on Twitter or about MMA, you can squash it. And yeah, we experimented some characters as well. Now we think that just pure expertise is kind of raw. So now our next goal is to combine character and the expertise as well. So that should be fine. And the next phase that we're really excited about is like a fan engagement dashboard with the detailed fan score, where you can, it's sort of like a Kaito for MMA, where you can see how much of a fan are you, and fans can access it, athletes can access it, and organizations. And you can do a lot of things there to connect fans and athletes together, and everyone will be able to see the engagement score kind of. And of course, our big idea to create an AI judge that will take, of course, more resources to build that, but we are focusing on that. And this is also in our roadmap. So just basically trying to create an ecosystem for MMA using AI technologies. And yeah, we're really excited about it. This is our team. Yeah, as I said, we discuss a lot of things, especially when it comes to judging criteria, to different opinions with Habib and Javier Mendez, who is a coach, and they have a massive experience in MMA. So they've been influencing our project a lot. And yeah, now I want to show you the demo of a fan score in a second.
Looks amazing.
Thank you.
What was the backstory just before you start the demo? What
Sorry.
was the story for you to start this? How did you imagine this? What was the idea? How did it come to
So
life?
So yeah, it was like November. I saw So I saw agentic emergence on Twitter. So I just went through it and I had this idea of creating a character for like MMA on Twitter. And I was so excited and that I built it myself like in 6 hours. I didn't have any coding experience. So it was like, yeah, as I think Shaw tweeted, like it was a moment of like creating your first website.
Right.
And I just saw like so much in it. And me as a big fan of MMA, I could see the potential. I could see where it could grow. So yeah, we took it from there. I connected the team. Actually, I was explaining the first problems to my team. They took it from there and they developed it, made it better, tweaked it a lot. And we're still like building it. But we just feel like this particular tool is one of the best for activating users. And we're really focusing on kind of building apps that users want to use, like fans want to use. And I feel like this is one of the tools that the fans will love. And that's why we are really excited about. And also like of course, following the sports, we see a lot of organizations talking about controversial decisions. Of course, there's a human factor, some of the decisions that people don't like. And even we see some boxing events they refer to AI judging also. It's kind of an alternative opinion. So yeah, this is very exciting. I think in the future, AI will be even more implemented in sports, health, well-being. So yeah, we want to capitalize on that and kind of already in talks with some of the big organizations. We'll see where it goes.
I feel like MMA is a big enough industry, and if boxing is also something you can serve, but I could see this also being applicable in, I'm a big F1 fan, football.
Yes.
I guess once you built the fan engagement engine, you could, you take that where you are, right? So super interesting.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, I'll just play it quickly. Yeah. Can I start?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, you can see the like a dashboard. You can connect your Twitter account, and it will be connected. Yeah, you have to authorize, and then you will see this like dashboard where it will be like your fan score, like how active you are in the space. We'll create all this different tiers, and there will be like what kind of different athletes you're like mentioning more, and yeah, the fans will be able to see this, and also you'll able to see the leaderboard also. And I think it's a great insights for both fans and athletes because traditional social media don't give you this opportunity for athletes to see kind of like the super fans. You have normal fans and yeah, and then you have super fans. So I speak to a lot of fighters daily and I always ask them, if you have the chance to identify like 1,000 super fans among your like 100,000 followers.
Right.
Like, would you like this idea? Everyone is for this idea because there are not a lot of tools to connect with the fans, and fighters love this idea as well. So, yeah, excited to launch this dashboard.
Nice. Well, keep in touch. And I think you're right. Unlocking advocacy on social media is the golden ticket, right? So yeah, no,
Yes.
if you can do that, that's amazing. But thank you so much for taking the time to present and demo, and look forward to
Thank you so
seeing
much.
the project develops.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much to Eliza ecosystem. I hope to see you guys again.
Thank you, sir.